I want to welcome you to the day one of the Digital Health Summit at CES. It's kind of hard to believe that we're saying the words 2020 these days. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Jill Gilbert, and I'm the producer of this shindig. My role has always been, of course, to shape the program, but also to provide some context and some story around what we're presenting, as I introduce you, of course, to our speakers and topics throughout the day. So I thought it might be really interesting to look how far we've come. At the top, so I looked back at the topics that we did back 10 years ago, and it was almost like an introduction course. So that was my first year producing the show, and it wasn't a cakewalk like I actually thought it would be. I mean, it was CES, absolutely one of the biggest shows on earth. Who wouldn't want to speak at CES? Little did I know that at that point in time, no serious healthcare or medical experts could see through being next to TVs and automobiles. But nose to the grindstone and through a lot of begging, and literally a lot of begging, we pulled off a pretty phenomenal, fantastic first year. 2010 was all about introducing digital health to a new audience that didn't quite have their heads around the possibilities yet. As you can see, these were topics that we could probably present today and have so much more robust information to share with you. But guess what? We're in 2020, and everything that was seemingly so far away has arrived. There is no question that we still have big issues to solve. We have privacy, ethical issues, data issues, interoperability, and so much more. But the present and future is immensely promising, and we can't wait to present this to you today. So be prepared as we launch the decade of cosmic transformation, because it is the new norm. So first, I want to say we're super social here. We'd love you to engage with us and the rest of the audience online. Here is our official hashtag and Twitter handle, so make sure to follow along. We love that stuff. And now I'd really like to thank our exhibitors and sponsors who not only inspire us, but also support the work we get to do in pulling this event together. As a special thank you to our ever sponsors this year, DNA Nudge and Abbott, and the rest, you can see it's almost too much to take time, but you can see how many amazing platinum sponsors we have, many of them showing up on the show floor, as well as our gold sponsors. Please make sure you have a chance to visit the show floor.